are just $10 away from changing your life forever. This is how you can turn $10 into $1,000. Step number 1 is to get your $10 bill. Now, it doesn't really matter what the serial number looks like or if it is really old or new. What matters most is that you fold this $10 bill a specific way, because I guarantee you don't want to unfold it again. And if you do, then all of these steps will be for nothing. So we're gonna start off with the first fold right here. We're just gonna fold it in half, keeping it nice and crisp so we can see the folds clearly. Now we are gonna bring this side down and fold it all the way down to the bottom. This is very important. Make sure that crease is nice and sharp. Same thing on this side. Bring it all the way down, and now you're going to flip it over. Now we're gonna fold it the other way. So we are bringing this edge all the way down, and you are gonna bring this corner up to the top. And now we are folding the other side. We'll bring this corner up to the top, and you should end up with something that looks exactly like this. You can see it is folded perfectly, and now we are gonna take this flap and we are gonna fold it back towards the center like this. And now you are gonna take this flap and you are gonna fold it towards the back. So it looks like this, and we're just gonna repeat the process on the other side. So you are gonna take this flap and fold it back towards the center, and then you are gonna take this last flap and you are gonna fold it towards the back, and you should end up with something that looks like this. That is perfect. Now you can open it up and put it in your pocket. Whenever you need some extra cash, you can take it out, unfold it, and you have yourself a crisp $10 bill. But I don't recommend unfolding it too many times because it's gonna lose its value. So when you take it out, use it and then put it back in your pocket until you need it again. Okay, so step number 2 is to go to the Dollar Tree. If you don't have a Dollar Tree near you, then skip to the next part of the video where I talk about an alternative. But at the Dollar Tree, you are going to go straight to the crafting section, and you are going to find the ribbon that matches the colors on your $10 bill. Now I know it's only $10, but this is gonna make things easier later on. So just spend the $12.14. Yes, I know it's more than $10, but it's worth it. Once you have your ribbon, you're gonna go to the checkout line and pay for it. Then you are gonna head home and you are gonna grab your $10 bill and your ribbon, and you are gonna stick the ribbon onto your $10 bill like this. Now make sure you stick it on securely, because if it comes off, then all of these steps are for nothing. Again, I know it seems like a waste of time, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it later. Now once you have the ribbon secured to your $10 bill, you are gonna go online and you are gonna search for places that will buy $10 bills. Some places might be willing to pay $15 for it. Others might pay $12. Just pick whatever place is willing to pay the most for your $10 bill. Call them up and ask if they are still buying these types of $10 bills, because you have no idea. They might have stopped. Now, if they are buying them, then ask them how much they're willing to pay for yours and agree on a price. Then meet up with them, hand over your $10 bill, and you are gonna receive however much money they said they would pay you. Now, let's say that you are in a situation where you couldn't get $12 for your $10 bill. Well, then what you can do is wait until you have enough money to buy a brand new $10 bill at face value. Because remember, the more rare the $10 bill is, the more money you can get for it. So if you have a really old $10 bill, you could probably sell it for $20 or even more. Or if you have a $10 bill that has a really low serial number, for example, all zeros, then you can sell it for $20 or even more. If you don't have any of those type of $10 bills, then what you are gonna do is you are either gonna save up more money or you are gonna look around your house and try to find valuables that you can sell to get the extra $2.40. Maybe you have some clothes that you don't wear anymore. You could sell them. Maybe you have a bike that you don't ride anymore. You could sell that. If you need some extra money to make up the difference, there's tons of ways to earn $2.40. Once you have your crisp $10 bill, you're gonna go back to the Dollar Tree and buy another roll of ribbon. Now, since you already know which color you want, it shouldn't take you too long to find it. Get your ribbon, pay for it, and then head home. Now, once you're home, you're gonna repeat the process by sticking the ribbon onto your $10 bill. Then you're gonna go back online and find a place that will buy $10 bills. Call them up and ask if they're still buying $10 bills because you never know. Maybe they stopped. If they are buying them, then ask how much they're willing to pay for yours and agree on a price. Then meet up with them and get paid. Now, every time you stick a ribbon onto a $10 bill, you should be able to get more money than the last time because you're stacking cash. And if you keep doing this process over and over again, then eventually you'll have $1,000. Now, one thing I want you to always keep in mind is that you never know who is watching. So whenever you hand someone your money, always be kind. You never know who you're gonna meet. They might be a millionaire and want to give you an opportunity. They might be a recruiter looking for new talent. They could be a future business partner. So treat everyone with respect. And speaking of opportunities, there's an amazing opportunity for you right now. It's absolutely free. There is no cost to signing up and you get to keep 100% of the money that you make. I'm talking about starting a channel. If you start a channel right now, you can literally upload videos about anything and make money without ever showing your face. Even if you think you're not good at video editing, guess what? You don't have to show your face. You can simply use a screen recording software to record your computer screen and you can make tutorials just like this. Every single day, millions of people are searching for answers on YouTube, and guess what? You can provide those answers and help people while also making money. All you have to do is upload a few videos and then YouTube will start to show your videos to the world. And whenever someone watches your video, you'll make money. And the best part is that you get to help people. But let me warn you, it's not easy. It takes hard work and dedication to build a successful channel. I started my channel 3 years ago and I didn't make a single penny for the first year. In fact, I spent over $1,000 out of my own pocket to try to learn how to grow a channel. But after a year of learning and improving, my channel started to blow up. And within the next 2 years, I was able to quit my job, buy multiple rental properties, and retire my parents. Now I can easily make over $1,000 per day from my channel, and it is all because I stuck with it. So if you want to start a channel, then go for it. Sign up for a free account and start uploading videos. And if you need help along the way, then check out the resources below. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.